Hey nail fam, hope you're well. Okay, so I was feeling really creative today and I wanted to play with some acrylics again. So we're going to be doing some custom acrylic glitter mix, and I have this clear acrylic powder from Saviland, and then I have this pink one, and then I have this glitter one because I wasn't quite sure which one I was going to use. So I just wanted to have, everything here. And then for the glitter mixes, I have like this Arctic Wonder from Charlie's Nail Art, as well as some really large white snowflakes. This kind of clear, crystally glitter that I got from Amazon. And then I have these two glitter mixes. The one on the right is called Snowball, and then that's some Mylar flakes. And then I have these silver pointed stars from Charlie's Nail Art. So most of the glitters here and sequins are from Charlie's Nail Art, and with the exception of the white one that I got from Amazon. So we are going to try our hand at trying to create our own custom acrylic mix, because I'm going to be doing another set of Lazy Girl Method acrylic nails underneath the nail, because I'm not into filing and I'm very lazy. I'm trying to find quick things to do. So first I pour in that Saviland and silver glitter mix, and then I'm going to add in this kind of white glitter that I got from Amazon. This was in a 12 pack and it's a bunch of colors and it's really fine. And now I'm going to take this Snowball glitter mix from Charlie's. It has some hexagons and it has some medium and fine glitter in there already. It really is a stunning color. Then we have some Mylar flakes, holographic Mylar flakes. Get all of your glitter mixes, get everything that you could possibly think of from Charlie's Nail Art. If you just want like a small sample, like I don't really need a big jar of stuff because I'm not crazy over glitter mixes. I don't need to have like 1,000 grams, you know what I mean? Like these 5 grams serve their purpose and they're gonna last me long. So now I'm gonna take this Arctic glitter mix here. Look how beautiful that is. Like she already has stuff mixed into this, which is perfect, because for me to go and purchase each one of these separately, like, you know what I mean? Like, unless you're really creative and you love the DIY process, you love to create from scratch, you can go ahead and do that. But there are enough people out there that are making glitter mixes that you can just continue to customize, you know what I mean? So now let's add just a tiny little bit of these stars here, and they're a little bit on the chunky side. So I just grab like a little spatula thing. I think this is a cuticle brusher, and I just added a few in there just to make sure that I have something really sparkly in this glitter mix. And I was going to add the large snowflakes, but they are actually really large. And the container that I'm going to be using I think it would like overpower, like it wouldn't incorporate into it anyway. So I go ahead and I mix everything together. Look at how magical that looks. Look at that stunning set of colors. Lots of silver definitely inside this one. So it's really magical. All right, so now that we have that incorporated, now it's time to add the clear acrylic. And what I do is I pour the glitter mix into this 10-gram container. I got the 10-gram container from Amazon as well. So I pour this glitter mix in there first, making sure I get all my beautiful sparkle glitter inside there as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some of the clear acrylic from Saviland. Now, unfortunately, this is the only clear acrylic powder that I have. I kind of see a lot of videos of persons using the Mia Secret. For some reason, I can't find that on Amazon. Like either it's not there or they're not shipping to Ireland. But if you have a suggestion of brands, can you put them down in the comment for me, please? Of just a clear acrylic glitter mix, or maybe even like a white, maybe like a natural color, and I'll see if I can test them out. So anyway, I finally decided to pour the rest in because it was taking too long with this little scoop. And now I just shake it up in this container here. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Make sure that it's all nice and incorporated. And when I feel like I have shaken it enough, then I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch on my little swatch sticks. And you know what? It's looking kind of cute, looking kind of pretty. I mean, she looking kind of nice. You know what I mean? So let me just quickly grab my swatch stick, and I'm going to use the Model 1's monomer. I don't actually have a Saviland monomer, so I have to use the one from Model 1's. And I'm using this number 16 brush, also from Model Ones. So take my little stiletto swatch stick here, and we are gonna go ahead and see how my first glitter acrylic mix turned out. I hope it turned out okay. And I know people say you're not supposed to mix monomer with the other brands, like you're not supposed to mix brands. And what I will say is Saviland, like this acrylic powder dries really fast. It's not like the Model Ones. Model Ones, I had time to, like, you know, slather it down and spread it over like butter. But this one, like Saviland, really dries fast. And I think that was what one of my issues was, also with acrylic, is that I only had Saviland, so dries too fast for me. But the acrylic mix, the glitter mix, I think it looks really cute. Like it's definitely giving me my winter Christmas look that I was going for. There's a lot of silver in this though. So I think I'm gonna do another mix again without using the Saviland white and silver acrylic mix that I added into this, because there's a lot of, is adding a little bit of grayness to it, if you understand what I'm trying to say. And I wanted it to be a little bit more clearer per se. So yeah, I'm gonna do another one. Let me quickly show you how this looks in the sun so that you can see how sparkly it is and how magical it looks. Look how cute that looks. Absolutely stunning. All right, so I did the exact same thing, and this time instead of adding, like, you remember I told you that white and silver pre-made glitter mix from Saviland, I just went in with the clear. So now I'm going to swatch this one and see if it comes out just a little bit more clearer for me, because I didn't want too much of the silver gray background going on. So let's give this a quick mix again to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. And then again, I'm going to go ahead and dip my number 16 brush into my Model One's monomer, and then go ahead and grab about 2 beads, I guess. Yeah, she's definitely not as silvery as the first one that we did, which is nice. So I don't have like that underlying silver tone to this acrylic powder. But what I will say is, like, it's still not as clear. I don't know, is this how it's supposed to be? Like, should I am I supposed to file and then maybe add some top coat and then it'll be clear? I don't know, because I'm quite a newbie at acrylic, so I thought, like, once I put this on, like, hello, it's supposed to be clear, crystal clear, but maybe not. Maybe there's some more work that I'm supposed to do for it to turn clear. But I didn't do anything else. All I did was apply it to the swatch stick, and then I let it dry just for a little bit, and it just looked really cloudy, so I don't know. But if you are a pro at acrylic, you can just let me know, like, Tia, yes, that's how it's supposed to be. You have to file it and then add some top coat, and then we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm going to do a nail design anyway with some glitter acrylic mix that I'm going to be making, but I just thought I'd just reach out to you guys and maybe you can steer me in the right direction before I go ahead and waste time and product. So anywho, but I still like it. It's really pretty. I mean, look at that. It's just absolutely Christmassy, wintry, everything. And this is how it looks in the sun. Look at how that is just, the sun is just bouncing off of that. Absolutely stunning. So my issue was I just thought it was going to be a little bit clear. So what I did is I went ahead and swatched this clear acrylic from Saviland, because I was like, something just ain't right. You know what I mean? And this acrylic, it's I don't know, is this supposed to be how it's supposed to be? It's supposed to be like cool, like I don't know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I just thought it was gonna be clear like the swatch stick, but this ain't clear. It's more like a translucent. That's the word I was trying to say. It just wasn't coming out, and then it was bubbling a little bit. Like, I wasn't being wild or nothing. Like, I wasn't, scooping it up and digging it up. Like, I took my time and patted it into place. So I had bubbles and everything. So I don't know. So I'm just hoping, I'm wondering if I purchase the mirror acrylic, like, will I not have these issues and will it be just a little bit more clearer? So, yeah, that's basically it in terms of this clear acrylic from Saviland. So I had another acrylic from Model Ones, but it had like sequins in it, and I swatched that to see if that was a little bit more clear, but that didn't really make sense because the one from Model Ones had sequins in it, so I was not able to see how clear it was. But anywho, that is the swatch of the clear, just so that you could see, like, it's really cloudy. So here are the swatch sticks with my flash on. Look how cute they look. Oh my goodness. And then this is how they look in the night. Absolutely stunning colors. All right, guys, so this was just a quick video showing you some custom glitter mix. I will see you in the next video.